So while looking for office space for Quick Heal, did you look at it as an expense or asset?
Thought we should have a base, and so that's why we bought an office.
Not being the finance guy, but the promoter.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
The reason is it really gives you a base, financial stability, and at the same time that impression that you are there for long time. It's not a short term.
ऑफिस आपका एक्सपेंस भी हो सकता है, आपका एसेट भी हो सकता है. अगर आप खरीद लो तो आपका एसेट बन जाता है, बुक वैल्यू आ जाती है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. आई एम श्योर इफ यू रेंट इट, इट इज प्योर एक्सपेंस. What were your thought
See,
process?
for me and for my point of view, like what I've seen is that when we start, early days is more about struggle. So at that time, focus is more towards renting a place because then it's more affordable and easy and flexible. If you are growing, you can just move out of that and move to a new rented place. As we grow, as we stabilize our business, as we go to the level where we are a brand, then we start thinking. In fact, for Quick Heal also, we started thinking we should have a base where we initially, even though we were in a rented place in Mangalore-Pet, once we started getting to the level where we were brand, we were having good enough partner ecosystem, we thought we should have a base, and so that's why we bought an office actually. So because buying office from our point of view was having a base where everybody starts thinking, your employees, your partners, your even customers, that we are there for a longer run actually, because having our own, investing into a asset is something that is a long term plan actually, and then people realize you are a serious player out there. And then along with that, as a team, what we felt is that we have our own space to design, we have our own since we have our own culture, we have our own way of creating our own working place where every employee should feel proud to come and contribute in the process or in the vision that we have. So having our own office at the later stage was a great
So early days, I'm sure your priorities are different. You want to grow the company,
Yeah.
put everything back in the company. The reason I asked you is, I'll give you a little context. Last year itself, I have sold around 50 crore plus commercial real estate, going back to people who had rented earlier. कि आपने रेंट लिया है, 4 साल पहले रेंट लिया था, ये रेंट वर्सेस ईएमआई वाला जो इक्वेशन है, उनको जब समझा देता हूँ तो सीएफओ कि समझ में आ जाता है कि बॉस, दिस इज द राइट थिंग. नाउ वन ऑफ माय क्लाइंट, जिसको मैंने पहला प्रॉपर्टी तकरीबन 2015 में दिया था 30 वर्क स्टेशन का, एंड आई सोल्ड हिम अराउंड 20,000 स्क्वायर फीट रिसेंटली. तो दे हैड कम टू मी अगेन फॉर रेंटिंग 15,000 स्क्वायर फीट. आई सेड, आई मीन, other than renting it, you have come to, like you said, you have come to a place where you don't grow multiple floors, then you grow in percentage. तो वो टाइम पे buying is good. But my actual question is कि promoter अपने दिमाग में इतना बड़ा बना लेता है कि buying is a big thing, but they bought it in 15 days. It is no big thing. I mean, if you look at the leverage, EMI, expense,
See, maybe
everything.
I am not a finance guy, but I can understand, and what we have always, while making such decisions, what we thought about.
That is the thing. I mean, not being the finance guy, but the promoter.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
So that's why, Ryan, so my thought process was about like having our own place where everybody can work and contribute. And see, having rented place always gives the impression that you are there for a short term. आप कब निकल जाओगे? The point when we were saying that we are growing and we started having such a big ecosystem that our brand became number one, we made sure that we are there for long run, and that with that, even though we were not on out of Pune also, even though we spread across different cities, we had our own offices in different things. We bought, initially we rented, but gradually we shifted to our own properties. The reason is it really gives you a base, financial stability, and at the same time that impression that you are there for a long time. It's not a short term business.
And the asset creation.
Yeah, asset creation is there.
And
employees also feel very great when they are working in the space where they feel it's a company's own actually, rather than rented.
Yes. And for company like yours of size and scale, you will not move at least 8 to 10 years. 9-year agreement is the minimum thing. Where when you buy the property, 9 साल में तो property
finance wise, it's always sense. It makes
free हो
sense.
जाता है.
If you keep on renting, then you are paying much more than that.
It is an expense.
Yeah.
So that was my question. I mean, were you looking at as asset or expense?
Initially expense,
Because
then
of
we
your
looked
priority.
at it because it really added as an asset actually.
It does. I mean, it is an asset. 8 साल 9 साल के अंदर आपका पैसा वापस आ जाता है.
And then it grows as a value as well.
Value grows.
Yeah.
value grows. Your book value is good. Your everything is good.